Good evening, everyone. We are Group 10. I am Soumya Chawla and my group mates are Arpita Goyal and Vaibhavi. Today, we will be demonstrating our work on extended art gallery problem. Let's first dive into the basic implementation of the standard art gallery problem. So, we'll be entering 35 vertices. Here, a random polygon with 35 vertices is created. Then this polygon is monotonically partitioned using the line sweep algorithm, followed by its triangulation, and then a dual graph is created with the triangle representing each node of the dual graph and an edge joining them. This triangulated polygon is then three colored, and the color which corresponds to the minimum number of vertices is chosen. So each adjacent vertex is of different color, as you can see, red, yellow and green. Now the red one is chosen because it was for the minimum number of vertices, and if we'll place a guard on each of this red vertex, the entire art gallery plan will be covered. So this was the basic implementation. Then we extended our implementation to include more practical constraints like a restricted field of view for each camera and a maximum radius till which the camera can view, and also obstacles which are represented as holes. Let's first start with a basic figure to understand our algo, and then we'll dive into the more complex one. So here I'm drawing a square. Now I'll be selecting the camera params, for example a 30-degree field of view and a 500 pixel of range. Now once the algorithm runs, it shows the number of camera placed here, which is 4, and visualizes the field of view of each camera. So our algorithm recursively divides the orthogonal polygon into rectangles using the line sweep algorithm. Then it recursively divides these rectangles according to the field of view and the range chosen. So for 30-degree, I had to divide the rectangle into two rectangles and then place a camera at each corner to cover the entire thing, as you can see here from the colored area. Now let's get into a more complex figure. I'll also add holes to represent the obstacles. As you can see, I have added a hole here. I can add one more hole. I'll click on start drawing hole. I'll finish the current shape. So one more hole is added, and the camera param is now say 60-degree and a 300 pixels. Then place cameras. So as you can see here, the hole is left out, and then cameras are placed to cover the entire thing according to the range and the field of view. So this was all for our demonstration. 30 cameras are used here, as the hole was also taken into account and the range was also taken into account, so the number of cameras increased. So this was all for our demonstration. Our application can be used in real world situations like camera surveillance or camera layout for a building or for a floor plan or anything. So thank you so much for watching.